I'm George Giering. I'm the president and CEO of Giering Metal Finishing. So when my grandfather started, he was really hand painting dental chairs with a brush. He surrounded himself with some talented people, and automation kind of started up fairly quickly in the 1950s and 60s. There's photos, there's even videos of automated finishing systems here. So I think that the thought was always there, right? How do we finish the part in a manner that's faster, quicker, cheaper, not only for the customer, but also more productive for us? Technology doesn't always make our job easier, but we've certainly captured where there are advantages. For instance, there's way better technology now in curing ovens. We're not blowing hot air out of the oven. We're recirculating that. We don't have any dead spots in our ovens. Everything is really uniform in the oven. The last thing you want is to have a dead spot and you have cold areas and hot areas. That doesn't do anything for your product. So we've dumped a ton of money into our ovens and even our automated cleaning systems that are on our automated finishing systems. The types of pumps, the types of nozzles, the types of air blow-off. We've invested in deionization systems. Deionization systems are phenomenal because they not only remove debris that may be coming out of the box as we load parts from a box onto a system. Corrugated is not the cleanest material. So deionization systems, it blows charged air onto the part, removes the debris, but it also leaves a charge on that surface. So when it goes in front of the spray guns, it actually attracts the finish better. So we've invested in that type of stuff, and it's made a huge difference in our operation.